Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video we are going to look about the market preview and review. Let's see how the market is going to perform in this video. So alright guys, if you take a look at Nifty now, Nifty is currently at the all-time high. So we are expecting the Nifty to go towards the new high. So our first target will be at 16,000. If the market breaks that level, it will travel upwards. It will continue the rally and it will continue upwards for the next months. So take a look at Nifty. Nifty has high potential to go forward. And if you take a look at Banknifty, and if we take a 1 hour time frame, as we can see here now, the market is currently trading at the sideways. The market is forming a sideways box pattern now. We can expect the Banknifty to come towards the previous low, which is around 35,000. We can expect the Banknifty to come towards 35,000, and if the Banknifty breaks that previous low 35,000, we can expect a correction in daily time frame. If the Banknifty breaks this previous low, we can expect a correction in Banknifty. Note it is only a correction. After the correction, it will move upwards. The ultimate trend for Banknifty is still an uptrend. So after the correction is over, go for buy in Banknifty. So this is for Banknifty. And if you take a look at gold, now we are going to look at gold. If you take a look at gold now, the gold has given us a little bit of correction. So we can expect after the correction is over, we can expect the market to move upwards, because it is ultimately an uptrend. Gold also is an uptrend, so we can expect a big rally in gold. So note this level. If market closes above this level, above the previous high, above this high, we can go for buy in gold. Those people who missed buy gold can buy here. If the market breaks above this level, you can go for buy in gold. Gold is ultimately an uptrend, as we see in Nifty, Banknifty, and gold. Everything is an uptrend. If you take a look at Banknifty, it is also in an uptrend. I said if the market closes below this level, we can go for sell. But if the market closes above this level, which is around 35,750 to 35,820, if the market closes above this level, we can go for buy in Banknifty also. As we already said, Banknifty is in an ultimate uptrend. We are expecting it to break upwards. But in worst case scenario, if the market breaks downward, don't worry, we will inform you in our preview and review shows. So this is for our preview and review today. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Okay, these are the structures and patterns which are forming in the market. Let's wait and see how the market is going to perform in the coming days. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.